If you're one of the people who really love the S Pen and have been sticking with Samsung's Ultra models, because of it, you might want to pay attention to this. A new rumor from Panda Flash Pro claims that Samsung is planning to drop the built-in S Pen from its Ultra lineup after the Galaxy S26 Ultra. That's right, after S26, we might be saying goodbye to that handy little slot and all the convenience that comes with it. This lines up with what we've already heard about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Apparently, that model's S Pen won't even have Bluetooth, which means no air actions, no fancy gestures, no using it as a remote, just the basic pen functionality. And yeah, that definitely feels like the beginning of the end for some of those features people really loved. For now, the S26 Ultra is still expected to keep the built-in S Pen. But after that, things are looking uncertain. There's talk that Samsung might go back to how they handled the S21 Ultra. That phone supported the S Pen, but didn't have a slot to store it, meaning you had to carry it separately or buy a case that could hold it. It's a bit of a full circle moment. Remember, the S Pen used to be exclusive to the Galaxy Note series before Samsung shut it down in 2020 with the Note 20. The Ultra series picked up the stylus baton after that, but it's starting to feel like Samsung's slowly backing away from that commitment. Still, not everything points to the end. Annika Bezin, Samsung UK's VP of Product and Marketing, recently talked to TechRadar and had some reassuring things to say. Multimodal is really important to us, so that's how people use their phone, whether they're speaking, whether they're writing, whether they're in a meeting. People do use their S Pens in meetings to write notes, so I don't see a space where the S Pen is not a key part of our portfolio. She also added, and honestly, when you look at the Ultra, it's something people genuinely come back to us around. They ask us, will it have an S Pen? And it goes back to the Note days. We see the S Pen as something that is key to the Ultra experience at this point. So, what do you think? If Samsung really does remove the built-in S Pen after the S26 Ultra, would that be a deal breaker for you? Are you okay with carrying it as an external accessory, or is the convenience part of what makes it worth it? Let us know your take down in the comments. See you in the next one. Until then, take care.